science? Few minutes with Driti. Hello friends, how are you? Are there any one of you who don't like to see the rainbow? I don't think so. I wait to see the rainbow after the rain. But the rainbow isn't always made after the rain. In addition of the rain, I saw a rainbow near the waterfall. Do you want to know how the rainbow is made? The process of making a rainbow is very interesting. After rain and in the waterfall area, there are a lot of tiny particles of water. So from here, we can guess that these tiny particles of water play a role in forming a rainbow. Friends, according to optics, we know that the color of the sunlight is white, but there are actually 7 colors in the sunlight, such as red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. A prism is a pyramid-shaped object made of glass. When the light of the sun flows through it, the ray of 7 colors separate from each other. Friends, let's try to understand the topic through the animation. Okay friends, then we understood how the 7 colors separate from each other when the sunlight passes through the prism. After rain or in the waterfall area, the tiny particles of water behave like prisms. That is, when sunlight flows through these water particles, the 7 colors differ from each other. So, if the intensity of sunlight is higher after rain, a rainbow is formed. In the same way, a rainbow is formed in the waterfall area too. Friends, we'll do an experiment to understand the topic better. For this experiment, we'll need a mirror, a torchlight, a glass bowl, water, a stand to hold the torch, and a white wall. Friends, now I will take water as needed in a glass bowl and dip half of the mirror here. Now I'll turn off all the lights in the room and put the torchlight on the mirror. Friends, look at the rainbow on the white wall. The light from the torch is reflected in the mirror and is flowing through the water, and because water behaves like a prism here, a rainbow is being created. Look friends, the rainbow is on my hand now and I'm trying to catch it. Okay friends, now we've understood how the rainbow is formed. No more for today. Bye bye. Take care.